Dear students, today's topic is paragraph writing. So, before writing a paragraph, we should know the essential important points about paragraph. So, writing a good paragraph on article may seem to be a Herculean task, but it is not so difficult. हम मानते हैं कि इट मे बी हरकुलियन टास्क बहुत कठिन माना जाता है, लेकिन ये ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ राइटिंग पैराग्राफ इज एसेंशियल फॉर गुड राइटिंग. प्रैक्टिस मेक्स इट इजी. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करें तो ये इजी हो जाएगा. 4 एसेंशियल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए गुड पैराग्राफ आर, जिसके 4 एसेंशियल जो है अच्छे राइट पैराग्राफ लिखने के हैं. वो फर्स्ट इज यूनिटी, सेकेंड इज ऑर्डर, third is coherence, and fourth is completeness. So what is unity? हाँ, उसमें कंटिन्यूटी होनी चाहिए, एक दूसरे से मिला होना चाहिए, जो हम थॉट्स है, थिंकिंग है वो, और इन ये प्रॉपर वे, ऑर्डर वे में होना चाहिए. कोहेरेंस, एक दूसरे से जुड़े होने चाहिए. कंप्लीटनेस, और जो पैराग्राफ हम लिखते हैं वो एकदम कंप्लीट होना चाहिए, हमारे जो बात कहना चाहते हैं उसको पूरा एक्सप्रेस करता हो. एंड देन we should know about coder. What is about paragraph writing? Coder. So coder, C for collect, and order, draft, edit, and revise. So 5 main points are to be remembered before writing a paragraph. So first is collect. So what is collect? Collect ideas. And second is order, to arrange it in a proper way. And third is drafting, you have to note down it. And fourth is editing. First you whatever is needed, you should edit it, and then at last finally you have to revise it. So here the first step to write is to collect ideas. First, before writing a paragraph, we have to collect ideas, then comes assigning them in a correct order, and afterward we have to arrange in a proper way. It what should come first, and what should go middle paragraph, and how the article would end. पहले क्या आएगा, बीच में क्या आएगा, and the last how we will conclude. So you should remember first, and then they make it drafting and editing. इसके बाद आप इसको ड्राफ्ट करेंगे, एडिट करेंगे, and finally revise at least twice before handing it over to your teacher. टीचर को हैंड इन ओवर करने से you should revise it twice. There are 5 steps of writing paragraphs. उसमें 5 points are necessary to be explained in the paragraph. First is define. Define the topic of the paragraph. What you have to write, first define about that. And then second is problem. If any problem or any topic is there, for what you are writing, so explain the problem we are facing with, what problem we are facing. So you have to explain in that paragraph. And then solution of, provide the solution of, resolve the problems. Whatever problem you have noted there, and there you have to give solution that. And then fourth one is benefits. State the benefits of that of the solution. The solution you have gave, so you should also tell the benefits of that solutions. And the fifth one is that conclude, at last conclude the paragraph in a positive way. Don't say in a negative way, you always say it in a positive way. And see one paragraph, my visit to a historical place for classes. In class 6 and 7 and 8, there are same paragraph writing asking, question asking in paragraph writing in for class 6 and 7 8, but some difficulty level is changed. For class 6 difficulty level is easier than 7 and 8. So first for class 6, my visit to a historical place. A visit to a historical place is always educative. Last year I went to Agra. Agra is a historical place. It has many buildings of historical interest. The most famous is the Taj Mahal. I have No words to express its beauty. The white marble looks like silver. The reflection of it in the river is simply enchanting. The four minarets add to its glory. The grassy lawns increase it. It looks like a dream in the moonlight night. I can't forget my visit to the Taj Mahal. So like this small paragraph you can write. Another one example is given here. Disadvantage of living in a big city for class 7 and 8. So you have to note down both paragraph in your notebook. And here one assignment is given for class 6. Two assignment is given. Write a paragraph on the topic a day that I can't forget, and another one is write a paragraph on the topic the night before the examination. So for class 6 both topic have to be written. And for 7 and write a paragraph on the topic the importance of science and technology. And second one is write a paragraph on the topic need for moral education in school. So for class 8 and 7 they have to write these two paragraphs. Thank you for watching this video.